Okay, good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. I don't know what time you're watching this video. I hope you are enjoying of this weekend. I don't know. I hope you're doing great, guys. This is my pleasure to be here with you again in this synchronous class. So I decided again to record this video for you to understand better the activities that you are going to be developing during this laboratory practice class. So let's start, guys. As always, here I have the agenda for today's class, or the table of contents, in which we have the same activities as always. The breaking the ice activity you are going to be developing. Then the topic for today's class. Then you have some activities that you have to develop in order for you to get the score. And at the end, we have our conclusion. So, guys, at the beginning, as always, I love sharing with you some thoughts. So the thought says basically, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Basically, it says that we all have to have a goal in our life. So probably you may say, no, my goal is to graduate from this bachelor degree, or my goal is to have a car, or my goal is to, I don't know, probably we all have goals, we all have dreams. So you have to keep working hard, even though you may say, no, I'm not good at this. You have to keep working if you want to get that goal, if you want to get what you want. So guys, we have to try everything, we have to do our best in everything, because that would be the key if you want to get everything in life. So now here we have the breaking the ice activity, in which basically this is like a game or word world in which we have some phonics. So if you click here, you are going to this page. Let me show you. Okay, here we have the phonics. So you start here. This is a game, and you're going to fly, and you're going to read the word float. You're going to decide which is the word float. No, it's not that one. So you're going to continue. Yeah, and then so on. So then we have phone, which is the correct vowel sound, and so on. So that's the game, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this game, because that would be the idea. The idea is that you learn, the idea is that you practice it, the idea is that you continue growing more about everything. So then if you go to this link, you're going to find the same video. So you have two options. You can click here in order for you to watch the video, or you can click here and you're going to find the same video. So please, guys, watch the whole video, because that will be helpful for you. Take notes if necessary, the 7 types of readings, because the idea of this laboratory practice is that you can have like the idea of what is the TOEFL test. So that's why we are trying to give you the material in order for you to try to practice at home, and then when you have the opportunity to have the real test, the real TOEFL test, so that will be easier for you when taking this exam. So please watch this video for you to understand better, take notes if necessary. Then the topic for today is scheming and scanning. It's not a topic itself, but it's like review or feedback in order for you to develop the activities that are going to be evaluated for this laboratory practice class. So how are scheming and scanning in reading different? So probably you already know about scheming and scanning. So this is just like a review, so you can read these statements for you to understand better, or for you to bring back memories about this topic. Then here is a brief explanation about scheming, how to use scheming, and then an example of scheming. So please pay attention to these slides, try to get familiar with it. And then we have here scanning. What is scanning, how to scan, and as always, an example of scanning. So take a look at this, pay close attention, take notes if necessary, and then here we have the activity that you guys have to develop during this laboratory practice class. So you have here two reading TOEFL tests. The first one, let me go here. If you click here, you're going to find the first one. You go to this page. We have this TOEFL test 1, the creators of grammars. You are going to find here the reading test. Here we have the questions, the options, and at the end it's going to have the score. So please take this test as many times as you want, take a screenshot, and then you're going to upload this screenshot in the space that I am going to provide you in Google Classroom. So this is the first one, and then we have the following, which is the smart energy. As always, read this statement, these paragraphs, and then answer these questions. Take a screenshot and then upload them in Google Classroom. So guys, this is all for today's class. So I hope you understand a little bit about how to scheme, how to scam, and how these techniques are useful and helpful for us in order for us to develop better this skill, which is reading. Sometimes probably we may say, no, reading is bored, is, I don't know. So by doing this, you may have a better idea of how to get a better score in the reading test. So as always, guys, if you have any doubt, if you have any comment, any inconvenience, just let me know. Don't hesitate to ask me. Contact me on WhatsApp, Google Classroom, my email, or in any other social media. So that will be the end for this class. I hope you continue practicing. I hope you enjoyed this weekend, and see you next week, guys.